text my mom?
No, I'm going to check out her videotape. All right, go get on.
How are you going to do that?
Got it?
Yep.
There you go. Good job, big boy. I'm proud of you. You're getting it. You're getting it. Good job. Oh, yeah. Your mom's going to be so proud. Oh, the bike chain came off. Yes. That's what happens when I pass her celery. Slow down. There you go. You're doing good.
I can go catch my line.
That's where you're going.
Ah, not that long.
Come off.
Because not.
Yes, bud. Look it. Yeah, you did it. Darth Vader learned to ride his bike. Give me 5, bud. Look at this, Mommy.